So hi, welcome to this video. It's about the MES Mini Red, which is the latest addition to the mini series. Quick overview of the sounds that are available in it. I'm going to explain a bit about the oscillation part of the synth. For the footprint sounds, I took what I used for Poly Square. I fed that through the arpeggiator, the MES arpeggiator, and this was the result of that. Nice little pattern there. I've got some bass lines now I want to show you. The Mini Red, as the colour suggests, has got some quite aggressive sounds in it because the oscillators, the oscillation method is sync and resonant. So I'm going to go through all the parameters from the bottom section. So once again, the Red follows the same footprint as all the other mini series. They're one one screen synths, no scrolling to different pages and so on, and the signal flow is bottom up. And we're going to start, the bottom row is the oscillators. So on this one we've got 8 oscillation controls, starting with sub, and that can be off, or it can be square 2 octaves down, saw 2 octaves down, triangle 2 octaves down, or sine. And then we've got square 1 octave down, and saw 1 octave down. And triangle and sine. So we'll leave that off for now. The next control is the volume for that wave, okay? And then we've got the oscillator itself is either sync saw. So sync saw would be, it's hard sync sawtooth. So the wave is reset and you get that classic hard sync sound. So that's saw, square, triangle, sync sine, and then resonant waves. First though, with the sync, we've got sync tone as well. So here's the saw, right? And here's the tone that can sweep. And obviously we can do the same with the sync square. So the next oscillation method is resonant waves. So resonant triangle, a resonant saw, and a resonant trap. For the resonant waves, the modifier is resonance. So and then we've got octave detuning. This is the main wave, so you can tune that by or the semitones. We've got scent shift, which can be useful to put the modulation on the scent detuning, and have like the sub as a foundation, but you can hear it slightly here. And then volume. And there, most of those controls are modulatable. So we've got basically, if we have the sub is switched on, then sub volume, that can be under modulation. Resonance, because we've got the oscillator mode is a resonant one, we've got resonance here. If it's a sync one, we've got the sync tone, can be controlled by the modulation rows, and then we've got the scent detuning can be controlled, and so can the oscillator volumes. So yeah, this is really the power of the mini series, actually the modulation at the top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.